Today we are restocking my makeup kit because some of my products are literally finished. So let's go makeup shopping. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Zelga. And today we're doing makeup supply run because I need to restock some makeup essentials for my makeup kit. So let's do this. OTD check. I'm wearing these pants. Calling me out like the first day. This ain't no first day. They are now big. These baggy pants and my pushed manyowani, and then this puffer jacket, and then my little thingy, and my watch and my ring. So yeah, this is us today. Took me from rags to riches, oh yeah, and I love that for me. I love it, I do. Took me from rags to riches, yeah. Took me from rags to riches, love it for me. Yeah, I love it, I do. Took me from rags to riches, took me from rags to riches, oh yeah, and I love that for me. I love it, I do. Took me from rags to riches, took me from rags to riches. Hey guys, so tapeza. I'm done with shopping and we went to Chitungwiza. So I wanted to show you the haul when I get home, but I'm not sure what time we'll be home. So, and I can't wait to show you the things. So I want to do the haul now in the car. I'm so excited. It's a big girl purchase and I'm happy about it. So let me show you. Let's do the haul, okay? These are the things. Let's do a haul, okay? Let's do a haul. So first is this Nivea cream. I've seen so many makeup artists recommending this moisturizer under makeup and they say it's good, so I want to try it. That's why I bought it. And then this Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me is my total favorite. It's my absolute favorite, total. And then I also got some toner pads for my skin cream and wiping off the. And then I also got these by Ushes. It's a lip. They say it's a lip gloss, but it's actually a lipstick. Ooh, love it. Love this color. Cause me and nudes. If you've been following me since day one, you know I love nudes. So it's +2. It's a number 2. So yeah, I love me nude lips. And I also got this lip oil by Golf Girl. I don't know, it's cute. Yeah, I went to Nectic Link Pro, and Nectic Link, they sell quality products, okay? Oh, my mic is misbehaving, but like I said, Nectic sells quality products, and now they've restocked their products. It's Nigerian products and I so much love them. So the first thing I got is this Kiss Beauty Fix Spray, and I also, ooh, my favorite, I've been wanting to get this for a very long time, Beecham Ageless. This is an eyeshadow primer. Yeah, can't wait to use it. Also from Nectic Link is this Yeesia. Yeah, easier mud wax and mud gel. It's for the brow gel. Also, this got this mink lashes from Next Clink, and I also got two of these Davies pencils. These are the best when it comes to makeup. This liquid liner, and my favorite for today. I finally got my hands on this palette. I love this. I love this. So it's a blossom brownish eyeshadow palette. Let me show you. Let me show you. Oh, the packaging. The packaging is tea. Oof. 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 It's 24 shades palette, and I love the browns. I love the neutral shades. Yeah, chocolate. I could eat this. I think that's it. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that's it for this haul. That's it for this today's shopping. I just restocked my makeup products. That's not all. I still have to buy some more products. I don't know when, but definitely soon. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's vlog. If you like restock videos, if you like makeup vlogs, if you like beauty vlogs, then subscribe and stay and enjoy more, because more is coming. And if you like lifestyle vlogs, also stay, because that's us here too. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.